The rags to riches story, it's a tale as old as time, right? We just love the idea of someone beating the odds. But what if there was an actual modern formula for telling that story? A way to make it feel not just inspiring, but super realistic for today's world. Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into, because our source material today lays out a complete cinematic blueprint for a modern story of hope.
So, that's the big question, isn't it? How do you craft a story that people don't just watch, but really, truly feel? A journey that convinces you that, yeah, maybe change isn't just possible for the character on screen, but for you too.
And the answer, according to the material we're looking at, is that it's not magic. It's a blueprint, a very specific, step-by-step recipe for a motivational film, particularly a Hindi one, that's designed from the ground up to forge that emotional connection and deliver a believable message of transformation.
Okay, so first things first. You can't really cheer for the win if you don't feel the pain of the struggle. Act 1 in this blueprint is all about one thing: engineering empathy. It's about making sure the audience is right there with the hero, feeling every bit of their hardship from the very first scene.
And the blueprint gets really specific here. We don't just meet a character who's having a tough time, we're dropped into an entire environment of struggle. Starting in a poor village immediately sets the stage. It shows us that our hero is up against more than just bad luck. They're fighting an entire system of disadvantage.
Then we zoom in. And these details, they're everything. A broken house, that's not just a set piece. It's a symbol of a broken life. The weak lighting, that's not just a director's choice. It's a visual metaphor for the lack of hope. Every single element is there to make you feel the struggle.
And this is such a powerful shot. Think about it. This one simple action tells you everything you need to know about their financial reality. It's that quiet, desperate moment that anyone, anywhere can understand. It's not just about being poor. It's about that constant grinding stress that comes with it.
Now, what's so smart here is how all these elements are layered on top of each other. It's never just one thing. You've got the physical exhaustion from hard labor, the emotional pain of social insults, the pressure from family, and that constant financial anxiety. Then you layer some soft, emotional music over all of it, and boom, you are right there with the protagonist feeling the full weight of their world.
All right, so the bleak reality is set. We get it. Now you need that spark. And this is where the blueprint gets really modern, and frankly, so much more powerful. The catalyst for change isn't some winning lottery ticket or a lucky break. It's something real, something that millions of people have in their pocket right now.
And this is key. The turning point is an active decision. It's that moment of pure resolve where the protagonist just decides no more. They stop being a victim of their circumstances and start becoming the architect of their own future. The whole story pivots on this single moment.
This slide just lays out the modern twist perfectly. The problems are timeless, right? Hard work, despair, feeling alone. But the solutions? They are completely rooted in our digital world. Suddenly, a mobile phone isn't just a phone. It's a library, a school, a gateway to a new life. This is what makes the whole story feel possible. It swaps out a one-in-a-million fantasy for a real-world path forward.
And get this isn't just a friendly suggestion. It's a specific instruction in the blueprint. That close-up shot is so important because it shows us the internal change. We literally see the shift from despair to determination. It tells the audience, without a single word, that the fight is on.
Real success isn't a single moment. It's a long, hard process. And this is where the blueprint's focus on realism is just brilliant. Act 3 is not some magical jump to the finish line. Nope, it's a detailed, believable, step-by-step depiction of the climb.
Just look at how logical this progression is. It starts with learning real skills for today's economy, like freelancing or online work. Then it shows the grind, the late nights, the setbacks. Then you get that first taste of success, that first small paycheck, which is a huge emotional high point. And crucially, that money gets reinvested, showing discipline, before we finally see the big rewards.
Okay, pay attention, because this right here might be the most important rule in the whole playbook. Success is never, ever a straight line. By making scenes of failure mandatory, the story stays grounded and credible. It makes the final victory feel earned, not just handed to them, which makes it so much more relatable for all of us.
So, the journey is complete. The transformation has happened. But how do you make that ending land with the biggest emotional punch possible? Well, the final act is all about the cinematic payoff.
To really drive it home, the blueprint calls for all the cinematic tools in the toolbox. We're talking slick transitions showing the passage of time, slow motion shots to make you savor the moments of triumph, a powerful narrator to spell out the big themes, and, of course, that epic, emotional music to tie it all together.
And this is what it all leads to. This side-by-side says it all, doesn't it? It's not just about going from a broken house to a modern one, or from a few coins to a car. Look at the internal shift, from worry to confidence. And maybe the most important transformation of all, going from being a source of stress to being the one who can finally help their family. That's the real win.
And the whole film builds to this one final, powerful message, delivered with this deep, impactful Hindi narration. To give you its full weight, here it is in the original. गरीबी एक स्थिति है, किस्मत नहीं. मेहनत, सही सोच और लगन से कोई भी अमीर बन सकता है.
And what that means is the core belief that the entire movie was designed to prove. Poverty isn't who you are, it's just where you are. It's a condition, not a life sentence. And it can be overcome with hard work, the right mindset, and just sheer dedication. That is the ultimate message. So what do you think of this formula? It's incredibly specific, it's very modern, and it is meticulously built to inspire. By grounding the entire journey in realistic tools and a believable process, it creates a story that feels less like a fantasy and more like a possibility. Which leaves us with a big question. Is this structured approach the new, most effective way to tell a story of hope in our time?